Alright guys, give you a little review of this thing. Obviously we got 7 miles on it. 6 of that was literally toying around in the snow. Roads have cleared off, obviously. It's about 34 degrees outside here, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Initial reaction to this bike is comfort. It does feel like something I could ride for a fairly decent amount of time without actually getting fatigued. We'll see as that plays out. Let's see what this transmission's like here once we get the green light. It's got the 6-speed. Still breaking in, so I'm not going to be romping on it too hard. Never in 6th gear. Brakes feel super strong. Transmission's super smooth. Now we're I would say up to temp at this point. The idles drop down about 1500. Definitely peppy. I'm gonna at some point today try to get a little bit better feel for this thing, try and get it up to speed for you to see how it acts if you were to get up to near highway speed. It's cold out. My camera died earlier, but I wanted to get some up to speed shots before it got completely dark out. Oh man, gotta be borderline working on some frostbite on my chin here. Definitely cooled down from a little bit ago. Here we go. Yeah, this bike feels absolutely amazing, man. I am so stoked about this purchase. Obviously it's going to be way better when it's warmer out, but so stoked about it, man. It feels so good getting up to speed. Really excited to take it on some trails and stuff. Even in this kind of weather, like, I feel really good about it. walk around here for you before my fingers literally fall off. Whew! And before it's pitch black here. But definitely has been a good day considering the cold. This thing is so much fun. If you're even remotely considering getting one, man, this is something you should definitely pull the trigger on. Obviously, it's only going to get better if you're in a better climate. I'm definitely looking forward to springtime. I don't even know what all to show you. There was a conversation I was having. Guy was asking whether he should choose the Supermoto version or this one, the Dual Sport. I chose the Dual Sport personally because I intend to do more trail riding. I say that, but I also find myself on the street a lot more too. But I'm happy with it, man. You just saw a video there. I mean, it runs great on the street. Full overview of the thing. Yeah, 41 miles on today. Nice and quiet running engine too. Dual overhead cam, 4 valve, water cooled, 6-speed. Got a little dirt on her. Got salt, and have to spray that down as soon as possible. Little coolant tank back here. Factory exhaust. Again, I have done absolutely nothing to this. This is the bike exactly how it came to me, right out of the box. So this is what you'll get if you order one. Inverted forks. Oh, my gloves fall off. If y'all got any questions, let me know.